This is Suite 103 at 170 Water Street North, where stylish sophistication meets luxury here on the Grand River in Galt. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo is close to Cambridge's downtown Galt district, steps away from trendy shops and fine dining experiences. And if we haven't met yet, I'm Helen Fidler, team leader of Helen's team, showcasing amazing listings around Waterloo Region and Wellington County. As you enter, you'll be greeted by ensuite laundry and the pristine hardwood floors that lead you to your breathtaking views of the Grand River from all the large, oversized windows. The open concept kitchen features updated soft white tones, gleaming natural stone countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The Master Suite boasts custom closet organizers filled with the latest and greatest finds from Jolie's Lingerie, located just a few blocks away. After a long day of shopping, kick off your Gucci shoes and unwind in the relaxing ensuite bathroom, complete with a soaker tub, The guest bathroom is equally stunning with its granite countertops, oversized tile shower with a modern glass shower door, enhanced by a rain shower head. Take advantage of the expansive wraparound balcony. With Dickson Park just across the street, you'll be in a prime position to witness the most prestigious events, including the iconic Canada Day firework display. Indulge in the world-class dining experiences just a few steps away at the Cambridge Mill. And don't worry about having one too many mimosas at your Sunday brunch. Your home is just a stumble away. Included in your condo fees is the gym, the amazing rooftop patio and lounge, and your own guest suite. And guess what? This condo isn't mine, and it should be yours.